Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a collective haul. This is both an accumulative haul from Walmart and Dollar Tree. So yeah, anyway, so let me go ahead and start. So I did find me this yard at Walmart. This was marked down by maybe 70 cents, 60 cents. So I did get me these two colors. This is a light yellow and this is a peach color. I've also got me this cotton. I know, kind of like, I was like, oh my goodness, it's so similar. So anyway, so spring's coming around the corner and I'm not too sure what I'm gonna make with these. I did get these for lining. So I do find that I don't know if you guys know, but most of Walmart's fabric now comes in this type of packaging now. So it is what it is. I mean, can't do much. Kind of nice and kind of not nice, because sometimes if you want more than 2 yards at all once, you know. But anyway, so yes. And then I also found this today. Oh my goodness, I thought this was the cutest. Oh my goodness. So this is going to go to for one of my grandbabies. Oh my goodness, that is cute. And it was just $2, you guys. So if you guys don't know, a lot of well, what I noticed today was that a lot of there are a lot of their inventories coming in for spring. Oh my goodness, I got tongue-tied. Oh my goodness. So yeah, so I don't know how this was. I don't know, maybe fall, I don't know, but this is the cutest. It was $2 from like $4.98, so that was a good deal. I thought that was cute. I also got me oh my goodness, okay, so I found me these right here, you guys. I'm already going to Dollar Tree, but these I found at Walmart, you guys. These are the cutest. Oh my gosh, for 98 cents I could not resist. I had to get these were so adorable, you guys. So there you go. And then I also found me some cupcake liners, 98 cents. So I did went ahead and got these. So aren't these cute? I might actually be using these for cupcakes, you guys. It's not going to be just crafty stuff. Anyway, so I also went in today and I found this fabric. This one was, I guess, marked down. This was still in a, like the big bundle thing that they usually sell. So this one got marked down. So $3.10 was not a bad deal. Love the color. It is so cute. You guys will ask me, what have I made or what am I gonna make? I still don't know. Anyways, I will figure it out. Maybe I know Christy Ann from Christy Ann Adventures on YouTube. I believe that is her YouTube channel name. I believe she bought fabric. I haven't watched lately. I know she posted it on Instagram, but like I said, I haven't watched her YouTube lately, so I'm hoping to see some ideas. I know bags is one, pouches, you know. I don't know. We'll see what I come up with or what ends up happening. Anyways, you guys, OMG. So yes, you guys, oh my goodness, this light is so cute. Okay, I'll turn it off for you guys so you guys don't see the reflection. How cute are these, you guys? Guess what? These were 98 cents at Walmart. I found these today. I was so excited. They only had like 1 or 2 pinks. Somebody got, of course, all the pinks. There was a red one. I was like, oh my goodness. So one red one, and they had a whole bunch of blue and green. I got the green figuring, sorry for my reflections or my yeah, anyways, I did get the green one. The reason I got the green one, not thinking of it for Valentine's. I'm already thinking of Easter for this one. So yep, and that's it, you guys, for my haul for Walmart. Oh my goodness, that is a lot. Okay, so there you go. I'll go ahead and put that there so you guys could see. And then Dollar Tree, it's not much of a Dollar Tree haul, but let me go ahead and share with you. I found these cute little masks, pineapple, and so I figured these are good for summer. So got me a few of those. I did find they are starting to put the Easter stuff out. I was shocked that they had a little bit more Valentine stuff. They did have the oh my gosh, the candy things. They had more of those. I did not get any this time. So, but these are cute. This is cute. And as you guys know, I did look at this. You guys know, if you guys know me, I always look, even though it says 3 yards, I always gotta look and see how much I'm getting. So that is it. And then I found me these cute socks. Oh my gosh, Snow White. How cute is that? So I thought that was cute, and of course $1.25. And then what else did I get? That's mostly it, you guys. And then if you guys have seen my little phone stand from a few videos back, I did end up getting the French fry LED phone stand, and this is what it looks like, you guys. How cute is that? So basically you would turn it on and it's, oh my goodness, it is the cutest. If you guys, like I've mentioned before, I do recommend it for your kids, if you have kids, for yourself. Anyways, and that's about it, you guys. I thought I had more, but no, that's it. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.